the last day of the Louis Vuitton pop-up store, so I'm on the way to the store. You can see this pop-up store's very unique outside look. I love the container entrance. The store is in Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills, so I'm looking around. This punk ballerina shoe is from Alexander McQueen. Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I came to check Louis Vuitton pop-up store. It's men's ready-to-wear as I know, and maybe other accessory or bag as well. But I'm not sure I can get in, so I'll try to get in because it's an appointment only. I didn't expect I'm gonna come here today suddenly. So yeah, let's go together. I heard that they had to spend $10,000 per container of this red huge container with LV logo. The red color is from the theme of men's show, Virgil Abloh's Spring 2021, after a road show in Shanghai, Tokyo, Paris, and Miami. I can't wait to see inside. Virgil Abloh is the art director of menswear in Louis Vuitton. He was doing intern in Fendi with Kanye West. They did collaboration in Off-White. He was a founder of Off-White. He's a trained architect, and then his fashion style is between high fashion and streetwear. So let's see his style from fashion show. Unique inflatable PVC jacket and striking yellow color trench coat with a poppy. It's very unique. I'm not sure we can wear every day, but it's so unique for sure. This one looks just ordinary suit style, but he's wearing panda crossbody bag. Basic black dress shirt with a pink teddy bear puppy. This denim pants has two-tone damier pattern. The blazer is same. I think it's interesting that the pink teddy bear, the pink color is really contrast with the gray color. I would get this one. The puppy is also same black color, so it's kind of okay. This is pretty much wearable. The black suit with a red dress shirt as a point. This collection uses red and yellow, very pop colors. Monogram jacket with a red LV logo, and the puppy is also monogram. I love the distorted monogram pattern of this jacket. I like this blue color. Same blue color but two-piece as shorts and pants. Love the damier pattern teddy bear. I think this collection, the theme is red, blue, yellow, and the black damier pattern. Let's look around inside. The mannequin is wearing the blazer and the pants, the suit with damier pattern. I love the pink pattern of the sword. The cartoon on the top is so cute. Love this black top part and the neon color sword. Black trimming with damier, I like it. I love this bag. The tag is damier and yellow LV logo on the black is so chic. Wow, this orange damier pattern is amazing. The character patch in the middle and top part, the orange trimming is amazing. Another cute characters on the back. Inflatable gillet, the vest, so unique. Green tone monogram flower zip-through hoodie. Oh my god, see this fashion show scene? There's the puppet character on even small leather goods. Okay, there's a women's ready-to-wear as well. The puppet is huge though. One thing, little bit problem, the puppet is not detachable, so you need to go with it all the time if you decide to buy. It's a really new style and unique. I would love to get one of these bags with puppet character on it. This sweater could be wearable. Love the color combination of this baseball jacket, but the puppet is kind of too big. Love the design of belt. Raffia damier bag. Perfect for summer. I would get this black knit and the damier hat. Raffia trench coat. I think women can wear this. I like it. This black and orange theme is amazing. I like the print of LV logo. Love this raffia flu damier bomber jacket. I like this bomber jacket. There's teddy bear at the front. At the back there is a clock. Oh my god, this is a little bit too much color. Love this white jacket. So I could make it to get in and then see the exhibit for Louis Vuitton pop-up store. So it was not for sale. It was just a like kind of gallery. You can see the menswear, any accessory, bag and shoes. Like especially sneakers was so amazing. I loved it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I think they have a really cute ones a lot. I really liked it. So I'm sure the main theme is a puppet on the clothes or bag. If I choose from menswear for myself, I would choose this teddy bear pullover and this denim hoodie with the sash and the patch and this padded monogram flower gillet. Lovely. I love the big L logo at the front. So this is not men's section, but I would love to get this sleeveless jacket. Oh my god, see the belt, different color. I would love to get this. This is so chic. I love this denim jacket, laid back vintage feel. Love to get this monogram zip-up jacket, cargo pants as well. I love the belt detail and the band lining of this coat. Chic but sporty. Hope you guys enjoyed this exhibit. I thought it's like they are selling because it's like pop-up store. I thought, but it was just like kind of gallery exhibit of their new season products. I really enjoyed. This Nespresso boutique in Beverly Hills used to be bigger and it's like a cafe. But now you can only pick up the coffee, you can't sit inside, but I enjoyed. If you wanna continue watching my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumb, turn on the notification. Bye!